So this is the last exciting video for today. Now I'll try another method, and it's here to push some of the steel wire into the glass of the electrode to get the connection between the metal and the piece of the electrode here. And let's see if this will be strong enough to close the contact. I put more of the wire inside. So this will be the connection to the electrode. Now I shorten this. Come on. So now I shorten this. Something like this. And now I do the gluing action. Glue it here and here and here and here. And the same as this part here. Glue it, glue it, glue it. And now push it together and keep it like this. And hopefully my fingers will not be glued to the metal part, and hopefully this will keep. And in my next video I probably will show you the testings of my new electrodes.